Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so grateful that you are here today, and I am thrilled to be doing a collab with 5 of my amazing friends that I have collabed with before. First we have the creator of this collab, which is Anya Stamper, otherwise known as Pink Sweets here on YouTube. Then we have Danielle Gerstenberger, aka Glamburger here on YouTube. We also have, and these are in no particular order, except for Anya since she came up with this collab. We have Allyson Krauss, who is absolutely wonderful. Also, we have Aynne Morison, who is a new friend of mine, and I recently collabed with her in this video that we did before, which I am going to link by the way. And then last but absolutely not least is Valerie of Gimme Lip and More. So I am exhausted, I mean beyond exhausted today, so I'm really hoping that I can be creative today. Being so tired, I do have my coffee. And today's collab is going to be a Christmas glam look, but we had some restrictions. We could only use a certain amount of colors, which are red, green, silver, gold, and we could throw in the black because we do need some eyeliner and stuff like that. So it is a challenge, and I went back and forth between whether I was going to do the red Christmas look, but I don't really have reds. I have like more of the pinky toned reds, so it's difficult. I said, you know what? I have green eyeshadows. Let me step outside of my little box and do a green look today with some silver and some other stuff. So let's get down to this while I still have a little bit of energy, and let's get creative. I obviously already did my base makeup, hence the reason I looked rather ghostly at the moment. So the palettes that I wanted to choose to use, now remember we can't use a transition color because the transition color is not red, green, gold, black, or silver. So we're going to use, which one are you? This is the Dark Magic palette from Jaclyn Hill. Here you go. And then I wanted to use my 35M Morphe palette, which I have here. And this has some really adventurous greens, which I'm excited about. And then I have something for a little extra sparkle thrown in here that I'm hoping is going to be fun. I'm going to start off with Photo from the Morphe palette here and see if I can put this in my crease. I don't even know if I've used this one yet. I think I have. I am blowing this out slightly because this isn't going to be a subtle look. Kindly excuse the absolute bloodshot eyes, and nothing is going to help these today. I'm going to use my Carity E30, and I am going to take a potion from the Jaclyn Hill. And really define my crease. I really wish I had time to film more looks, guys. I love doing my makeup. When I come home from work, I do videos and I film and I get them up, but it's not, I don't have to do a look, which takes a long time. I mean, it's quick on camera, but it takes a long time to film and a long time to edit. It's very labor intensive as far as editing goes. I'm doing my best. And now that I'm working on weekends too, I used to look forward to my weekends at least to be able to film and try to get some things done. But now that I'm working weekends also, it's so hard. Not complaining, I'm just venting. The Carity brush is really, really nice. I'm actually going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to take this Stroke of Luck, which is a really bright green. I have to do a lot of blending, but I want to get the main stuff down first. For my lid, I'm going to take Bold Moves, which is this sparkly green here. I want to wet my brush because I really want it to be intense. And I'm just using a large Ulta shading brush. I may be using the wrong brush because this is not as intense as I want it to be. I want to deepen up my corners, so I am going to take Green with Envy, just this dark green over here, and I'm using my Precision Luxie brush. God, this mirror is dirty and I need to clean it. I'm like, what's that smudge on my face? Oh yeah, it's not a smudge on my face, it's a mirror. See, I'm surprised at you when I do my looks because I don't plan them out. I have tried to do that, like just in thinking, but I don't give it a trial run because, I don't know, I just don't. And I like to be as surprised as you. So I'm going to go back in with, actually I'm going to take Express Yourself, which is right here. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to try running this on my lower lash line. Now this is too fluffy. I'm going to take a very old Real Techniques brush and try that. I'm actually going to take Electric Energy and run that on the bottom lash line. I need to blend this all out, so that's what I'm going to do. Truly surprised how much I've been enjoying these Morphe palettes, I have to be honest with you. I was skeptical. I just had what I was looking for. You think I can find it? Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm losing my mind, guys. Anyway, I am going to take some glitter glue. My favorite glitter glue is this NYX. I just really love its performance. Okay, hopefully I won't ruin this look. We're going to tap this on. Actually, I have a brush for that. This is my Sigma shader, the E56, and I'm going to tap the glitter glue on with this. A little bit more precise using a brush. A good thing though, if I ruin a look, it really doesn't matter because I'm going to bed right after this. So it's okay. I'll let that sit for a second, and then I have this NYX glitter in just a roller ball. How cool is that? Let's keep our paws crossed, shall we? Oh, well, that's intense. It's a little more intense than I expected. And I got it where I didn't want it. When you're this tired, don't try to be too precise. It'll just mess you up in the end. Yes, I did mess up a little bit. Unfortunately, there's not much I can do about that. But I need a little silver for my brow bone, so I'm going to take my Heavy Metals palette and a fluffy Wet n Wild brush. I'm dipping into this silver. And that is way too gray of a silver to go up there. I'm going to now actually try a different one. Let's take my Allure Cosmetics brush and I'm going to go into more of a pewter silver. And it's still too gray. Well guys, you know, things don't always work out the way they are planned, do they? I'm going to just dip into my highlighter palette and I'm just going to take the white from the highlighter palette. And I can't get that off there. Oh boy. Taking my BH Cosmetics 105, I'm dipping into that same Becca shade for my inner corner. I'm going to use this Lorac Pro palette, the baby one, and I'm actually going to use the black as my eyeliner today. And I'm actually using an Ulta eyeliner brush. I'm essentially just stamping the shadow. And the reason I'm doing this is because my memory card got full, of course. So I was saying the reason that I am using a shadow for my eyeliner is because liquid and pencil eyeliners do not go over this glitter very well. And when you have a beautiful dark pigmented shadow like this, it works wonders. Do you see how bloodshot my eyes are? I'm really sorry about that. I'm now going to use my Urban Decay Glide On Eyeliner and Perversion and do my waterline, which is killing me right now. Here, I can't do much of that. It does not like it. I can tell you. For my brows, I'm going to use this new It Cosmetics. What are you called? The Brow Power in Universal Taupe, and see how this works. I encourage you, if you're doing this, to please take much more time than I. This is the quickest I think I've ever done anything, to be honest with you. Let me do my bronzer. Did I bring a bronzer even with me? I'm going to use my MAC and Jeremy Scott palette. I'm really not going to contour. I'm just going to use my fluffy bronzer brush and kind of do an all-over dusting of bronze. If I was actually doing this look, I would probably do a full-on contour because it is a glamorous look. But right now I'm just kind of warming up my face. And my memory card's full again. Round 3, guys. One last time. Hopefully I can get through this. So while I'm doing this, I want to go over my positive thought for the day. And my positive thought for the day is, you know what, I'm really blessed to be able to get 3 jobs and have 3 jobs, where some people can't get a job or aren't able to work for whatever reason. So my positive thought of the day is I am blessed to be able to have that, no matter how tired I am. This is one of my favorite blushes because it's just so spectacular. It's so darn expensive though. It's the Hourglass Ambient Blush. What Are You In? This one is in Diffused Heat. I mean, this one is just a stunning blush. I so wanted the Ambient Lighting palette, but $80. Can't do it. I did not bring a highlighter brush for me, so you know what? When in doubt, you improvise. And I am going to, again, take this one. This is the Opal. I love this palette because it's got all of the most popular shades in it, so I don't have to go out and buy any. I have all the shades I want. I'm going to lay on some Opal, and even though it's silver, I'm still going to take this warmer gold here which is, you know what, or maybe this one's opal. See what I mean? This silly things with the names on the back. Sorry, this one's iced and this one's opal. Now I'm taking opal. Love Becca highlighters. Now I'm going to take my Neutrogena. This is the Hydro Boost Mascara. One of my favorite drugstore mascaras. I'm not using the primer today, although I would if I was actually wearing this look someplace. I don't know about you guys, but I blink into my mascara. I get it right at the base, and then I just blink and it pulls it through. So you don't get a lot of clumpies, but this one doesn't clump anyway. For lipstick, yeah, I'm going red. I'm using a Stila. I have no idea what color. I may regret this, but you know what, we're gonna find out. Hi Peppercat, how are you? Well, that was really quick. Now, I don't know if I would wear this lip with this. I would probably, if I was going out, might wear a red lip. But this is just really dramatic and really, really pretty. And, you know, for as exhausted as I am, I kind of like the look, to be honest with you. I would probably take much more time, but if you are in a hurry, you can kind of do something pretty quickly and make it look glamorous and beautiful. I know my girls are going to do a much better job than I just did, and I'm sorry that this probably isn't up to par of what I like to do, but nonetheless, I am so happy to have collabed with these amazing, wonderful women who are just amazing, wonderful women, and I really hope that you go check them out. I'm so blessed to be able to have made these friends on YouTube, and like, you guys are awesome and they're awesome, and let me tell you, that's another thankful thing that I'm so grateful and thankful for. That's a positive thing in my life, is you guys, yeah, it's wonderful. So this is my Christmas glam look. Yeah. Thumbnail. And no lipstick on the teeth. Look at that. Try out that liquid lipstick from Stila. They're pretty good. I hope you guys enjoy this. I know I wasn't quite myself, but I'll be back. You know that. This was an amazing collab. Thank you to everybody for doing this with me. Again, I love all of you. I love all of you guys, and I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing week, whatever portion of the planet that you're on. And I will see you very, very soon with something new. Bye!